Assalamualaikum. Welcome back to my class again, and me myself Mohammad Faizur Rahman. So whatever you need, you just stay tune on it. And if you need to write something, please note it. Okay. And if you repeat the lecture, you can easily find out why did it. Okay. Pay attention. If you pay attention, then you will definitely. Okay. So in the classes, several times I discuss about the question pattern. That is important, question pattern. Now today, English second paper, class 11, 12. English second paper, the first one was what? Article. So today's topic, articles. As you know that A, N and D are called article. A and D are called article. The first and the easiest and the foremost rules is this. There are two kinds of article. Definite and indefinite. Or indefinite or definite, whatever. Definite is what? Direct. So the two parts, number one, indefinite article, and number two, definite. So indefinite article is these two, A and N, and definite is what? D. So indefinite is what? Not direct. It would be, and that was the definite one things sometimes we use. Okay, so D. But the twist is this: if we ask 100 people, 100% people will say before consonant we use A. Before consonant we use A, and before vowel we use N. This is the easiest rules to know. Before consonant we use A, and before vowel we use N. And as a reminder, I am just telling you that we have 26 letters in English alphabet and 5 sub vowel. 5 sub vowel, that means A, E, I, O, U. And except this 5, 21 will be consonant. So vowel and consonant, these two are important. And another one is think which one. Why we put article and how? That means you know that indicate that is indefinite or indefinite article. That's the important. But the main things, we use article by seeing after the fill in the blanks the words first letter. After the fill in the blanks, filling the blanks. So just before the word will help you. Okay, just before the word, here will be like I wrote day. So each and every, that's the most important point to be know that we use article by seeing the fill in the blanks after the first word, first letter, and also its pronunciations. May I have clear? So this is most important to know about why and which, because this word will help you to 70 or 90% that the appropriate article will be in there. And just like this, if you know that it's a habitude to know that A, E, I, O, U, these vowels, which word will start with this letter? Which word will start with this letter? In individually rules I am just telling. If you ask 1,000 people, they will tell you just before. So if the word start with this anyone's letter, don't go to the pronunciation first, it is another one. By seeing this first letter, which article? Because all are vowels. That means an. Apple, like apple, an apple, and you are very known to it. Another one is what? I told you several times like this. D is what? Only one thing. Only one. Like the sun. That easiest rule I'm telling. The moon. Okay. So these indicate only one. Only one. You can understand. The groups cancel. So that is the use of article. And I told you in like a and like an. Character is stop there. Okay. What is the difference between them? What is the difference between these two? So make a table. Okay. It will be easy for you. A and use A and an. Use A and an. So what is the difference? As you know in the small classes when you will class 3 and 4, the difference between number 1 and here will be number 1. So we use A before consonant. We use and before verb. The easiest one. How you will write? And number 2 is what? Now if you go to the differentiation between, if the pronunciation start with U or wa, you may use a like one-eyed, one-eyed. So it will be an one-eyed. Our, number 2 will be our, it will be an. That is the difference. Because of why? Though it is start with the consonant, but we use an. Though it is start with vowel, but we use a. I'm talking about the difference one. Okay. And so another one is what? Omission of article. Omission of article is what? Why there is no article? That means what? Cross. You have to write it like a cross. Omission of article. That means what? Cross. Why there is no uses of article. We will not use A and B. In simply, I can told you that I live in Dhaka. I am fond of sweet. I am writing the easiest one, just to be known. The very simple. Don't make it so complicated. Don't make it so complicated that what you have to write and what you will write. Okay, go to the simple or the easiest one to find out the easiest one. Here, just see. Here is preposition. Here is preposition. In simple, 75 or 60% I can see here that in after preposition there is no article. It will be cross. It will be cross. The both of will be the cross. So one clue that after preposition there is no article, but it's the easiest. But in the another one, definitely we use after preposition. Sometimes we use and. I mean they. Okay. So they will be in here sometimes. But the easiest to be know. That's why I'm just writing in here. So the article is what? The main theme of that you have to just remember A and B. A and B are called article, and just before consonant we use A, just before vowel we use an, and direct or only one things we will use the, and what there is the similarity between all the sentences and it is meaningful. If the sentence is meaningful, so there is no article. And just after preposition it will be cross. Because if you read the sentence, I live in Kushtia, I live in Dhaka, I live in Borisha. I am fond of sweet. I am fond of sweet. I am fond of in Dhaka. In Dhaka. So that's not to indicate the places. Yeah. So that is omission of. So I hope you understand about the topic, and inshallah in the next topic, preposition, we will sit for on it, and just pay attention and follow the WhatsApp. I send it just before and try to solve it few articles, and many rules are left in here. Lots of rules are there for users of appropriate article, but if you need practice and practice. Okay, so I'm giving you some articles and try to solve it and send by WhatsApp ID. So no more today. Stay safe and don't go anywhere, and just keep reading, practice and practice. Good luck. Wish you all the very best. Thank you.